Are you looking for a career in criminalistics?
What is criminalistics?
Defining a criminalist. A criminalist's main job is to separate important evidence from trivial evidence that has little to no value to the case. A mistake could cost someone their freedom, or could let a bad guy go loose. Using scientific methods taught in the classroom and through hands-on training, the criminalist identifies, sorts, and compares evidence in a way that will be useful to the trial or investigation.
Are there any special skills or abilities that I should have to become a criminalist?
Special skills and or abilities a criminalist would need for this career: patience, persistence, problem solving and deductive reasoning, observant, someone who pays attention to detail. Criminologists should have a strong educational background that includes at least a bachelor's degree in criminology, sociology, psychology, or a similar discipline.
Personal interests linked to this career are detail-oriented deep thinkers, willingness to spend multiple hours to help decipher what happened in a crime, intellectual curiosity, personal integrity, and no criminal records or youthful indiscretions.
What type of educational background would I need?
Background education, training, and life experience related to this career. Backgrounds in science, a bachelorette in either chemistry, biology, forensic science, criminalistics, or degrees in other related areas of science. Most criminalists have advanced degrees in these things, and additional training given by his or her employer.
What are some problems I may encounter with pursuing this career?
Personal traits that could be problematic are fears of public speaking or appearing in court.
What fields are there in criminalistics?
There are many different fields in criminalistics, including firearms and tool marks, trace evidence, DNA and serology, and drugs, alcohol, and toxicology.
Tools and firearms. Knowledge of or ability to provide the caliber and type of firearm used in a crime. Scratches or striation marks are left on bullets by the barrel of a pistol or rifle. These marks can individualize a bullet to a unique firearm. Tools used in crimes can leave striation and other marks on surfaces. These marks can be compared to various different tools. A tool may be individualized as having made the mark. A computer database of marks on cartridge cases and bullets has been developed to link a particular firearm to serial crimes.
Trace evidence. Trace evidence applies microanalysis to fibers, hair, soil, paint, glass, pollen, explosives, gunshot residue, food and plastic bags, and virtually anything else involved in a crime. No training exists that will prepare the trace evidence analyst for every kind of case that they may come across, because every single case is unique. Thorough knowledge of the advantages and disadvantages of microscopic, spectroscopic, and chromatographic methods are what trace evidence criminalists use every day.
DNA and serology. Any tissue from the body carrying the genetic code of DNA may be used to compare a standard. Allows blood to the other biological material to be possibly linked to an individual. Databases of DNA profiles help in identifying criminals. Samples must be properly preserved and reanalyzed.
Drugs, alcohol, and toxicology is the use of analytical tools and knowledge of chemistry to identify controlled substances in powders, pills and liquids, and body fluids. They may be called to a clandestine laboratory by investigators where illegal drugs are produced. They are also responsible for maintaining breath alcohol analysis instruments and the training of laboratory technicians and police officers who run the tests on those suspected of driving under the influence.